Hello, my name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. I am thrilled to present to you today Villa Fernando in Albordeira, in Lagos, which by far has the most fantastic ocean view in Lagos. The villa is situated just behind the Lagos Marina, on the top of the hill, next to the beautiful Meia Praia beach and next to the 27 golf course Palmares. Villa Fernando offers a breathtaking view of sea and the city. And without further ado, let's take a look at this property. (555 meters square), 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, built in 2004 on a plot of 3,551 meters square. The villa is split over 2 levels with huge terraces and balconies from every room. Villa is situated in south facing and enjoys the sunlight throughout the day. A grand entrance of the main house is leading into a spacious living and dining area featuring a cozy fireplace, fully equipped kitchen with the granite countertops and marble stone finishes, 3 bedrooms, bath, jacuzzi, an office. Vast sun terraces provides ample space for relaxation, and underfloor heating caters for your comfort. This villa offers landscape tropical and fruit garden with an automatic irrigation system, a heated saltwater pool, a scenic fish pond, and plenty of outdoor spaces to enjoy for the relaxation. Also, this property has a 2-car garage with a huge parking terrace and a sport field to enjoy a football, pickleball, or any other game. Villa Fernando features 2 guest houses, 1 bedroom and a 2 bedroom, perfect for guests or rental income. Whether you're lounging by the pool or entertaining in style, this villa is perfect luxury living in the Algarve at its finest. You can live in holidays all year round. If you like this villa, please give us a shout on the phone. Click the link for more information. Please subscribe, like our video, and see you soon.